Cassava stands as one of the world's most remarkable crops, feeding over 800 million people across Africa, Asia, and Latin America, while quietly revolutionizing global food security. This woody shrub produces starchy roots that deliver an astounding 250,000 calories per hectare per day, outpacing rice at 176,000, wheat at 110,000, and even corn at 200,000 calories. In 2021, global cassava production reached 315 million tons, with Nigeria leading at 63 million tons, representing 20% of worldwide output. Africa dominates production with 204 million tons annually, though yields tell a more complex story. While Nigeria harvests from 9.1 million hectares, its yields have stagnated at around 6.9 tons per hectare. Cambodia, ranking ninth in total production, achieves the world's highest yields at 27.4 tons per hectare, demonstrating the vast potential for improvement across traditional growing regions. The harvesting process reveals stark contrasts between manual and mechanized approaches. Traditional hand harvesting requires 23 to 47 man-hours per hectare, with workers lifting stems and pulling roots from the ground. Semi-manual methods using lever-based tools reduce this to 16 to 45 man-hours per hectare, while fully mechanized harvesters accomplish the task with just 1 to 4 man-hours per hectare. Brazilian-designed mechanical harvesters grab stems and lift entire root systems, leaving fields plowed and ready for the next planting cycle. These machines work best on ridged fields with minimal weeds and soil moisture content, between 12 and 16%. Root breakage during manual harvesting typically ranges from 8 to 10%, with uprooting forces between 600 and 1,000 newtons per plant. Cassava's versatility extends far beyond the dinner table. The roots contain approximately 32 to 35% carbohydrates and provide 191 calories per 100 grams of cooked product. Processing transforms cassava into countless products, including gari, fufu, tapioca starch, high-quality cassava flour, glucose syrup, and bioethanol. Thailand uses 4 kilograms of fresh roots to produce 1 kilogram of starch with 25% starch content. Industrial applications span food manufacturing, where cassava starch creates clear gels for noodles and desserts, to biofuel production, where fermentation yields ethanol at concentrations of 81.86 grams per liter with 75% efficiency. Even cassava peels and pulp, comprising 45 kilograms per ton of processed roots, serve as valuable livestock feed or raw material for bioethanol, potentially producing 1.98 billion liters of ethanol annually from Nigeria's processing waste alone. What makes cassava truly exceptional is its resilience. This drought-tolerant crop thrives in poor soils where other staples fail, storing water in its roots during prolonged dry periods. Farmers can leave cassava unharvested for months or even years, creating a living food reserve during lean seasons. The crop requires 21% less labor than maize, yam, or rice, though post-harvest processing demands significant effort since roots must be processed within 2 to 4 days to prevent quality degradation. Cassava leaves, often overlooked, provide excellent nutrition with 21 to 28% protein content, vitamins, and minerals. As climate change intensifies, cassava's ability to produce reliable yields under stress positions it as a critical weapon against global hunger, supporting food security for millions while driving rural economies across the developing world.